Hello traders, I'm very passionate and very serious about this video. Let me tell you categorically that this channel that I have opened right now is not my official channel. I know scammers are trying to take advantage of the free stuff I am giving on YouTube, on Telegram, to dupe other people and to scam other people. And that is why I'm passionate about this. I am going to explain to you why this is not my channel. Although it has the name, it has my channel logo, and it has all the information I provide on my free channel. But it is not mine. Please take notes. I don't want you to be scammed. That is why I want to explain this to you. My eyes are everywhere watching. Now, if you look at this channel, it has the name Forex Signals Only. My channel on Telegram also has the same name. The scammer has used my channel logo on his, but the difference is there. Let me show you the difference. First of all, when you go to the details of this channel, you will see that the real name for this channel is here, and the real name for this channel is t.me/VIP Forex Signals Only. Although the person has put this name over here, but that is not the channel name. The channel name is the arrow, the one the arrow is pointing to. So he's using my channel name and he has edited the real name. So this channel here, the real name is VIP Forex Signals Only, where the arrow is pointing to. And you know that is different from the one up here, which is Forex Signals Only. Do you see the difference? If you look at this two, the name at the top is Forex Signals Only, with about 2.1k subscribers. And below here, the name is different from the name at the top. The name at the top is Forex Signals Only. The name below here is VIP Forex Signals Only. This is not my channel. Now, let me take you to my channel and show you the difference. I'm taking you straight to my channel and I'm going to show you the difference. My channel is here. This is my channel. My real channel has 1.3k subscribers now. Now, don't concentrate on the subscribers because the subscribers can keep on increasing. You will see that this is my real channel. Now, let me show you the difference so that you know the real channel and the fake channels. Now, if I go to the details of this channel, you will see that the channel name at the top here is Forex Signals Only. And the channel name at the down here is also the same, Forex Signals Only. Do you see the difference? The channel name here is Forex Signals Only. The down here is also Forex Signals Only. This is my channel. The names are the same. I have customized my channel name in a way that nobody can use this channel name twice as I have used here. The person can choose to use Forex Signals Only at the top here, but the person can never have access to this same Forex Signals Only here unless he or she adds something to the Forex Signals Only here. So the person can put in the link description here Forex Signals Only 1, Forex Signals Only 2. You can see Forex Signals Update. You can see, just like you saw, VIP Forex Signals Only. That is fake. So when you are looking for channels, before you join that channel, make sure you check the channel name below here. So this is the real channel name, Forex Signals Only, which is mine, and it corresponds with the one up here. Now let's go back to the scammer and see what he has done. Every information I have put here, the scammer has copied the same information to his channel. And look at it again. This is the scammer's channel. Now, again, look at something here. Let me show you something here. When you look at the scammer, he has put Kofi Dollar here as his contact for people to reach him. But if you look at his Kofi Dollar, it is different from my Kofi Dollar. And I'm going to show you the difference. Now, if you look at his Kofi, it is K-O-F-I-I. The I's are 2. You see that his Kofi is double I. K-O-F-I-I before the dollar. Take note. His own is K-O-F-I-I before the dollar. Now, let's go to my official channel so that you look at the difference. This is my channel. Where is it? This one. Look at my contact. Look at mine over here. Look at mine over here. When you look at mine over here, you see that it is only K-O-F-I. The I is only 1 before the dollar. K-O-F-I dollar, then D-O-R-L-L-A-R. So you see the difference. This is how people are imitating me. This is how people are impersonating me. Upon giving free content on YouTube and giving free signals, my channel is only having 1.3k subscribers. Meanwhile, the scammer who is taking advantage of my hard work has more than 2k subscribers. Look at the scammer's channel. He has, how many subscribers are in this channel? 2.1k. So the scammer who is offering you nothing is having even more subscribers than me. And this is why sometimes it is very painful to give out free content. That is why some Forex mentors don't want to give out things for free, because people will take advantage of it. And this is a clear example of a scammer who is taking advantage of my hard-earned sweat to dupe other people. And so please, I want you to take note of my channel name. It doesn't matter whatever channel you will see that will have my logo or will have whatsoever name. The most important thing I will always want you to take note of is the channel name. Check very well and be sure this is my channel name. It is t.me/Forex signals only, and it is one word. There's nothing attached to it. And then the name is also here, Forex signals only. The two are the same. The two are the same. Any other channel with my logo, with any writing claiming to be my channel, it is not mine. This is my channel. Forex signals only, both at the top and then at the down. It is customized. Nobody can use this except me. So if you see anything in addition to this, it is not mine. Especially the Forex signals only here. If you see anything attached to it, it is not mine. Take note. The scammer who is also watching this video, please, I'll do everything possible to update my people who are on this channel with the right information. And it's also painful to think and to know that when you are on this free channel and you don't see me actively on the channel, then you understand why I am not actively on the channel, because some people are taking advantage of the good work I'm trying to do, the free bonus or the free stuff I'm trying to do for people. Other people want to take advantage of it. When you look at the scammer's channel, this is mine. I have shown you. If you look at the scammer's channel, every message I post, he will also post it. Look at it. Every information I put on my channel, he will forward it to his channel. And then when I ask people to contact me, the number that I give for people to contact me, he changes that. You see, every information I put out there, he also does the same. But take notes. His is different from mine, because his Kofi Dollar over here is having double I in the middle, K-O-F-I. I. My is only one I. So my is KOFIDOLLAR. And my channel name, which is Forex Signals Only, when you come here, which is a customized listing, it's not VIP Forex Signals Only. It is not mine. You see that he has added VIP to the Forex Signals Only. The reason is because he cannot use the Forex Signals Only over here because I have taken possession of it. It is personal, it's for me. He can never have access to it. So what he has to do is to add VIP to it to make it look like it is mine, whilst it is not mine. Please, I'm begging all of you. Don't believe anything you are seeing on the internet. If you want to join my channel, I would advise that you can send me a message on WhatsApp and I'm going to give you my phone number. My phone number. You can reach me on WhatsApp to confirm, or you can even ask me to send to you my official Telegram channel, and I'll do that. And that is why I also recommend that you join my VIP group, because my VIP group is exclusive. No one can have access to it. So please, my VIP group is only exclusive to those who have made payment, and no one can have access to it. So if you're on my VIP group, you are safe, because you have made payment for it, which is $100 for the whole year, 12 months. That is more safer than the free channel where I give out content for free and some people are taking advantage of it to duplicate and to replicate me in a wrong way. So please take note. If you want to get in touch with me, you can always reach me on WhatsApp. The number is +233. That is my country code. The number is 246136609. So my phone number is +233 246 136609. Take note. If you are in doubt, always contact me. You can even do a video call to see me. The scammer can never use this number. This is my personal number and it is exclusive to me alone. So if anyone is giving you any other number, you should know that it is not my number. This is my official number. +233 246 136609. Thank you. And I'm passionate about this. I'm very serious about this because I don't want my name to be dragged into things that I know nothing about. I don't want someone to sit somewhere and mention my name that I have scammed him or scammed her whilst I know nothing about. That is why I'm taking my time to do this. I'm doing this legitimately, wholeheartedly, with the fear of God. I'm not on the internet to scam anybody. I am not on the internet to take people's money illegally. So please be careful. Before you get in touch with me, make sure it is me. Thank you very much.